are we somehow gaming the system if we're partaking in the Augusta Rule?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Totally gaming the system. How was the tax law made? It's 100 years old.
Mm-hmm.
Every time an entrepreneur would come up with a way around something, the government would say, darn it, that's not what we had in mind. And they would make the statute larger and more complicated to try and ban that thing. And then the entrepreneurs, being as nimble as they are, would come up with, okay, well, let's just tweak it a little here. And so there's always been this ongoing war. But then there were other elements added. That was not the only thing that caused the code to be very large and very complex, more than it needs to be.
Yeah.
The most complex tax code in the history of ever.
Okay.
And so then you throw in special interests who are going to lobby for their little piece and their little special exemption. And then you throw in the desire for social control, that politicians, nature, they think they're smarter and better. Intellectuals and politicians both think they're smarter and better, that other people are dumb and it's for their own good. We're going to force them to, I'm sorry, not force, that's such a naughty word. We're going to encourage.
Yep. Economically
We're going to
encouraged.
reward
Yep.
people for doing certain things, and we're going to punish them for doing others, and we're going to use the tax code to do so.